My name is Josephine Tibitondwa. I'm the CEO and founder of Cake by Tybie. We are an online platform connecting home-based bakers and cake eaters in the metropolitan area of Uganda. Our vision is to promote healthy living through delivery of homemade, low-calorie, nutrient-rich cakes packaged in African fabric for all events. On 8th May 2019, we carried out a survey that revealed the two problems that we are currently solving as Cake by Tybie. One had to do with the home-based bakers, and the issues they are facing were low income, which is estimated at 210 USD per month, but also an issue of lack of equipment and proper training for them to be able to produce the kind of cake that will impress the market. On the other hand, we had the final consumers, and their issues are delays in delivery time, but also inconsistencies in the taste and appearance of the cake. Currently, 42% of the final consumers have resorted to buying cake from shops and supermarkets as opposed to ordering from home-based bakers. What are we going to do differently as Cake by Tybie? We intend to have a Cake by Tybie app, which will be the platform that will link the home-based bakers and the final consumers within the same locality. The home-based bakers will upload the kind of cakes that they have every single day with detailed pictorial and descriptive information that the final consumers will be able to look at and place an order. Then an efficient transport system. We are currently partnering with Safe Border, which is the Uber of motorcycles, to deliver the cakes. And as Cake by Tybie, we intend to reduce the cake delivery time to 45 minutes. Currently, the best bakeries in Uganda are delivering their cakes under 60 minutes. So you wonder, how are we going to be able to beat the time? 45 minutes is quite a small, a small duration. So with our home-based bakers will have ready-made cake that they will deliver to the final consumers. And then maybe another question, there are so many people involved, the home-based bakers and the final consumers. How are we going to beat quality? As Cake by Tybie, we have thought through this already, and we are producing a cake premix which will be sent out to the home-based bakers in order to maintain quality. But also we have a team of quality controllers that will always be in the field to check on the quality of our product. And the cake will be packaged in African fabric, and this will be made by refugee women. This really, we are passionate about this because we are reaching out to the refugee women. And according to the survey of refugees in Uganda, 51% of refugees are women, and 56% of these mention that they do not see themselves being self-reliant. So as Cake by Tybie, we intend to reach out to them and give them an opportunity to make these beautiful bags, have the cake delivered to you in a beautiful bag while you reach out to the refugee women. With this, we will increase their revenues by 840 USD per month. And for the home-based bakers, because we are bringing to them clients and increasing the number of clients that they serve on a monthly basis, their incomes will raise from 210 USD to 540 USD per month. And our market is pretty big, I should say, because we are really focusing on the youths in Uganda. These are about 15.9 million. And so we're looking at those that are between 15 to 29, earning approximately 470 to 540 USD. And because our business model is app-based, we're looking at the individuals that have smartphones. And in Uganda, according to statistics, these are 6 million individuals. Our competition is mainly two bakeries, I should say. One is Cafe Javas, while the other is an online platform, which is Jumia Food. So with Cafe Javas, their delivery time is 60 minutes. and we intend to have ours at 45, like I mentioned earlier. But also their cake is approximately 60 USD. Ours on average is 33.5. So we intend to beat them in terms of time and the amount that will be delivered. Also, Jumia Food, their delivery time is the same as Java's, it's 60 minutes. And on average, their cake at 50 USD. Our business model is we buy cake, our customer orders for cake, we buy the cake from the home-based bakers at 15% commission, have it resold to the final consumer at 150%, and yeah, and then we're done with that. So our revenue streams are pretty easy. Brokerage, that is the 15% commission, we'll be getting from the home-based bakers, but also the resale of the cake. We also intend to, because we're empowering the bakers, we'll have trainings for them and we'll make revenues from these trainings, but also the sale of baking tools and decor tools for the bakers to use. We are currently requesting for approximately 6,000 USD, and this will help us with the purchase of an oven, a butter mixer, customized packaging materials, but also the tools and the equipment that the home-based bakers will use. Like I said, we're selling an experience. It's costing us 4.1 USD, and the resale is at approximately 10 USD. And with this, we're making a profit of 6.1 USD. Yeah, that is per cake that we sell out. And our team is made up of 5 individuals. We have 3 quality controllers that will always be in the field to monitor quality for us. But then we have an app manager, and so please join us to reach out to the refugee women, give them hope, give them a life to look up to by increasing their finances, but also give the best quality of the cake to the final consumers.